Dear students, welcome and thank you for tuning in to this video. I'm Dr. Lyle Zobi and I'm continuing my series of videos about linear kinematics of human movement as part of the biomechanics class. I am going to finish the series of videos about how to identify Newton's laws of motion and gravitation. I will be talking in this video about Newton's law of gravitation. What is the law of gravitation? We know that all bodies are attracted to one another with a force that is actually proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This applies to all objects, small or big, human, subjects, chairs, tables, planets. Any object that has a mass is exerting a gravitational force on other objects around it. The thing about the scale of the human body and the objects around us, the masses are very small and the gravitational force is weak. However, gravitational force is obvious when we have huge masses like planets, because according to Newton's gravitational law, gravitational force, which is F equals G, which is the gravitational constant. This is a fixed number that is 6.674 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square divided by kilograms squared. And then you need to multiply, so that gravitational constant need to be multiplied by the masses that we are trying to study the gravitational force between them. So mass 1 and mass 2 are the masses that we are trying to study, and I calculate the force, and this number need to be divided by the distance between the objects square. Any object will exert a gravitational force on other objects around it. However, we don't feel it around us on the scale of the human body because of the masses are very small, and the gravitational constant is, when you multiply it with it's very negligible actually. However, we need to keep in mind that all objects exert and act and affect other objects with a gravitational force. I hope that this video clarifies the law of gravitation, and this video concludes the series of 4 videos I made about Newton's first law, second law, third law, and the law of gravitation. Thank you for watching. Until the next video. Bye.